Tabu, welcome. How do you like the works?
I think it's amazing, so much variety, and the best part about it is there's lots of color, like off late, whatever works I've seen, there's been a lot of monotones, I feel, in this. There are amazing shades, amazing tones, nice blues, yellows. In fact, that's one of my favorites as well, which I saw today.
Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so welcome, Farah. And how do you like the show? How do you like the works?
It's amazing to be here. It's been an artful day for me. I was earlier in the day, I was at the Sasson Docks because there's an art exhibition happening there, and today I'm here right now in the evening. These Bahraini artists are amazing. One of my favorites, I'm standing right next to him, Omar Al Rashid. I love both his works, really nice. I also love another artist there called Feka. I'm going to pronounce it, sorry. The name is, I like Feka Al Hassan. Her work is really nice. For me, art is something that inspires me. And so, as an artist, as a designer, I'm always happy to be at places that inspire me and give me food for thought. So, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. So, ma'am, how do you like the works?
I think the work is beautiful. It's a great combination of colors. It's very intense. It has a lot of perspective to it, and it's a kind of work that I relate to because it's a lot of abstract. It's a lot of horses. It's a lot of moods, and I think it's gorgeous. Especially the one with the gold background as well, and the lady. It's stunning.
Lovely exhibition, and I'm here for Rubel. She's such a close friend of mine, and the art is totally lovely. Like, all the paintings are beautiful, and I just feel like I'm in a painting right now, so it's amazing.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you like the show? How do you like the works?
Well, I love I love art. I've got a lot of art in my home, and it's always wonderful to see artists, especially artists from around the world, come and put their collections together so beautifully. Here, of course, it's Bahrain, and it's across borders, and it's just inventive. It's different. I like the different mediums, the different styles that have been used. There are artists which are upcoming artists that are established artists, there are male artists, female artists, and it's from Bahrain. And as the lady was very wonderfully saying, she said, people think we are so oppressed in Bahrain, but we don't. We liberate people to express themselves, and art is such a beautiful medium of expression. It's a very well curated exhibition. I've loved it.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
How do you like the works? How do you like the show?
It's beautiful. It's very well done. It's extremely classy, and this is my first visit to an art exhibition.
Is it?
Yeah, it's my first experience. The only knowledge or background I have that my mom used to do a lot of painting, and now Salman Bhai paints, but as a commercial, as something which in a gallery is my first time, and it's beautiful. It's been chatting with the painters, the people who are doing the sculptures. It's a different world altogether, and for me, I really don't know much about art, but if you see something and it's beautiful and it grabs your attention, I think for me that is something that is art. So yeah, so I suppose that's my first time, but very happy, and it's a different world, and extremely impressed by the color palettes and how they use the colors. It is something, like when we make movies, we have got a frame, and we try to make the frame as beautiful as possible. So all these pictures are like frames to me, and how they have got the color combinations and how they've got things together, the meaning behind everything. I mean, I still need more experience, to interpret, what the artists are trying to say, but it looks nice. It's nice.
Thank you.
हिंदुस्तान है प्यारे हाँ जी
How do you like the show, sir? How do you like the works?
I must congratulate my friend Rubel Nagi for organizing such kind of wonderful exhibition. And from the great artists from the Bahrain, and this kind of exhibitions really inspire us to make better pictures. And at least our the sense of visual arts grow into a different dimension altogether. I know कि आधी पेंटिंग समझ नहीं आती है और आधी समझ आती है, लेकिन जब समझ नहीं आती है तो समझ लेना कि आपको अच्छी लगती है, कहीं ना कहीं दिल को भाती हैं, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो कहानी है, कुछ तो कहा गया है। तो ये जितनी मैं पेंटिंग देख रहा हूँ इसमें मैं अपने तरीके से एक अपनी नई कहानी ढूंढ लेता हूँ, और अच्छी पेंटिंग वही होती है जिसमें से आप एक अपनी कहानी ढूंढ लें जो आप चाहें। थैंक यू।